Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
Here's a look at what we can expect today across the region in terms of our high temperatures. Only 64 to Medford, Lakeview, you'll be at 61, Klamath Falls 60, Yreka 66 degrees, over to Grants Pass 64, and along the coast 56 for Brookings, and Crater Lake only 36. Pretty hard to believe that we are in June right now. The system moving in is going to bring showers across the region, possibly for those embedded thunderstorms, gusty winds, and these pretty cool temperatures. Not looking too favorable out at the game tonight for the Rogues. It'll be pretty cool for us, breezy, and tracking potential for thunderstorms even as we're into the first half of our game. Now, winds today, areas inland will be pretty gusty for us, really cranking up as we're into the afternoon and evening, where those gusts can be expected anywhere from about 20 to 25 miles per hour, areas over to the west, but areas over to the east anywhere from about 25 to 35 miles per hour. And it is going to remain a bit gustier as you're heading overnight tonight. Breezier conditions will continue on areas east side. Now, something else that is going to be noticeable tonight are those cool lows. Not only are those highs going to be chilly, but those lows tonight are going to be cold. 35 for your low tonight in Klamath Falls, over to Yreka 41, over to Medford 47. We're going to see some snow tonight over into Crater Lake with a low of 27 degrees. Showers as we're into the afternoon will become a bit more widespread for us. The snow levels will be lowering as well, so we'll get some snow into those higher elevations. Better chances today is going to be above 6,000, maybe above 5,500. It does drop a little bit lower tonight. Now, we do have the possibility for some thunderstorms today. Better chances going to be areas over west side and as we're working our way into Klamath and Lake counties, but the whole region today does have the potential to see one of those storms pop up. Now, as we're into our Saturday, we'll get another round of those showers, and then we'll begin to dry out as we're working our way into our Sunday for us. We'll get a little bit more sunshine working its way in the second half of the day, and temperatures will start to warm up for us. So if you're looking to have any outdoor activities, Sunday is your day to hold off until. We'll be up into the 70s again for us in the Rogue Valley, upper 60s as we're into the Klamath Basin. Now, in terms of rainfall and how much are we expecting? Anywhere from about, I'd say, a tenth of an inch to a half of an inch. Areas over west side, greater amounts as you head up into the Cascades. Areas to the east side to Northern California on the lower end, anywhere from about a trace to a tenth of an inch, maybe a little bit more into some areas and locally areas. But over tonight, in terms of snowfall, we will expect to see that accumulation into higher elevations. It shouldn't be lasting too long though, because as we work our way into next week, temperatures climb right back up. Let's take a look over into the coast. Breezy next week. We'll be dealing with a little bit of clouds for your Sunday and Monday. Over into Northern California, the chance for those showers continues into your Saturday, but in Sunday, expect more sunshine to work its way in. Over into the Klamath Basin, some very chilly nights in the nights ahead for us into the 30s. It'll be especially cold as you're waking up tomorrow morning. Over into the mountains, we'll see that higher elevation snow. Can't rule out the chance for a thunderstorm as well, so we'll be tracking that pretty closely today and into tomorrow. And finally, back over into the Rogue Valley. Showers and thunderstorms will be likely today, tracking it again for us tomorrow. Sunday will be drying out with a little bit more clouds, but we'll warm up into next week, back up into the 90s by your Tuesday.